You've seen this, the house with the floating swimming pool. Why hasn't it sold? It's been on the market for $58 million, and guess what? It has spent more days on the MLS than my younger daughter Raya, aka Picaloni, has spent on Earth. So you've been following my channel. Why hasn't it sold? And now wait, before you tell me it's an upside down house, yes it is, but we've seen 70, 80, $90 million exits. So that alone can't be it. What about the backyard space? It's got the lawn, it's got the swimming pool, hardscaping, and all that stuff. And it can't be the view, because the view definitely can carry a $58 million exit, and the finish is the same. It can carry a $58 million exit. So what could it be? Is it the frontage? Well, look, Sorbonne sold for 88 and it was about the same size. Wow. So look, this room is tight and it's the start of the problem. But have you noticed the bigger problem? Look in the corner. You cannot sell a $58 million house with a galley kitchen. Now, what if your real estate agent who was representing you to purchase this house, what if he told you this? For an unbiased third-party opinion, link is in my bio.